Hi everyone, and welcome to the ProSimpli Ideas series, a series where we show you the many ways you can use the ProSimpli Index Card Organizer. In this video, I will show you a powerful and effective way to learn programming any language you want and retain the information longer and faster. So, stick around. Okay, so I want to start this off with a question. Have you ever heard of a vision board or a dream board? They typically display pictures of expensive vacations, sports cars, mansions, fit bodies, essentially short-term and long-term goals that help you visualize the things you want to achieve in life. If you believe in the power of visualization, supposedly your subconscious mind starts creating ways to go get that stuff. The good news is you can apply this exact same visualization technique to learning any programming language using your notes. That's where our index card organizer comes in. It's not just a piece of plastic that holds index cards. It's a learning process that helps you do all the right things that you need to do. Take notes, actively learn, put them in your own words, make them visible, place them next to your computer while you code and try to remember those functions and methods. Use them, so you can't just make notes and not use them. You need to practice what you learn through repetition. Give it time. To learn anything, it takes time. These are the key pillars to an effective learning strategy. Now, I myself am not a spokesperson. I am a Python developer. Have been for 5 years. When I tried to learn Django, which is a Python web framework, there was just a sheer amount of huge volume of information you have to learn. HTML, CSS, JavaScript, JavaScript frameworks, Bootstrap, Git, other deployment techniques, and so on. I just remember being overwhelmed, not really knowing how to tackle it. And I want to show you my original Django notes that helped me get through it. So, this is an essential process to write down your notes in your own words. I wrote step-by-step processes on how to achieve something within Django. I wrote classes, methods, function parameters, you name it. So for example, this one here, register app in admin panel. The next time I need to register an app in the admin panel, I don't have to go to Google, search for it, look on Stack Overflow, look through the Django documentation. I don't have to go look through a cloud-based note-taking system. I don't have to sort through a stack of note cards to find the one I'm looking for. I can just look up, review my notes, remind myself, and continue coding. They're right here, visible and easily accessible. So the ProSimpli Organizer is a useful tool that I have used in my programming journey. If you're interested in trying this technique for yourself, you can pick them up on Amazon right now. If you do, please leave us a review on Amazon. You're bombarded with review requests, I'm sure, but please do. From one developer to another, I'm really curious how you're using them. I'm really curious if you like them, what you don't like. So, that is how you can learn programming any language faster. And that wraps up this episode of the ProSimpli Ideas. Be sure to comment, rate, and subscribe to us on YouTube for future episodes. See ya!